I am not now, nor have I ever been, a 300-pound backpacker. Yeah, I never was a 300-pound backpacker, but there was a morning I got on the scale and I weighed 299 pounds. And I knew that if I continued in my ways, I would be a 300-pound backpacker and more than that. And it wasn't one of those changes where I suddenly decided, oh, I'm going to lose weight, and 6 months later I was 180 pounds. Nothing like that at all. It was a long, slow process. I sort of working out more, and working out is just walking. I really didn't do a lot of exercise, maybe riding the exercise bike at home in front of the TV, and sometimes a treadmill, but it was not a revelation that suddenly, oh, now I need to eat salads and run 5 miles a day. It's just not what happened. But I did have a wake up and said I cannot continue to gain weight, because I was gaining maybe a pound or more a month. And so I stopped eating large meat lover pizzas all by myself 2 or 3 times a week. That seemed to have a negative impact on my weight. And sort of watching what I ate, I joined Weight Watchers actually several times, and that helped me learn what I should be eating and finding out different ways I could eat, enjoy food, and still, be full, I guess, without eating thousands of calories a day. Excuse me. I even, for a short time, went on a doctor-supervised diet where it was 800 calories a day, and every week I would lose 4 pounds. And you do that for a few months, and all of a sudden you've lost some real weight. I don't recommend it. It's hard on your liver and your kidneys. I had to go on potassium pills because the diet was screwing up my system. I did lose some weight, but I guess Weight Watchers is the one that really worked, because I can actually track that on a daily basis. I like counting the points in a spreadsheet kind of situation. When you see somebody out on the trail that's overweight, I give them all the credit. They're out there trying, and sure would help them. And if you're having weight issues, let me know if you think I might be able to answer some questions or give you ideas. Definitely a good thing, though, being outdoors and hiking. I've really enjoyed it. It's been good for me health-wise, and I can hike the AT, hike the King's Trail, PCT. It's a way to make your life healthy. You get outside and walk, carry that heavy weight up and down hills. If you're struggling with your weight, know that I understand what's going on, and for sure ask me any questions or share any advice you might have for other people down below.